Your free business profile on Google My Business helps you reach and engage with local customers across Google Search and Google Maps. Linking your Google My Business account to your Google Ads account allows your ads to appear with location extensions. Location extensions encourage customers to visit your storefront. Your ads can appear with your business address, a map to your location, or the distance to your business. Customers can then click your location extension to get further details about your location or your business profile. Setting up location extensions is the groundwork for using location-based features in Google Ads, like store visits, reporting, or local campaigns. In this video, we'll show you how to link Google My Business and Google Ads in order to use location extensions. Let's get started. If you're new to Google My Business, begin by creating an account. If you already have a Google My Business account, start in your Google Ads account. Click Ads and Extensions in the page menu on the left. Then, select Extensions at the top of the page. Click the blue plus button and choose Location Extension. Here you have two options: to find an existing Google My Business account using your website domain, or to link to an account that you know. Under Find an Account, your website domain should show up automatically. If it doesn't, enter your domain to discover potential Google My Business accounts. Select countries by clicking the pencil icon. In the list below, select the Google My Business account that best matches your business. Confirm that the correct Google My Business account is showing in preview, and then click Continue. If you manage a Google My Business account, click Link to an Account I Know. Select the Google My Business account that you manage from the drop-down menu and click Continue. If you know the email on the Google My Business account that you'd like to link, click Link to an Account I Know. Enter the account email address to send an approval request. Only when this email accepts the approval request will the Google My Business location be added as location extensions. Once you've linked your Google My Business and Google Ads accounts, your storefront addresses are eligible to show up as location extensions across your account. However, if you want to direct customers to certain storefronts, you can set up filters at the account, campaign, or ad group level. To add filters at the account level, navigate to the Extensions tab. Select the Google My Business account that you want to add filters to. Under the Limit the locations that are synced with Google Ads section, fill in your exact business name or narrow down the locations further with specific labels. Keep in mind that if you wish to filter by label rather than name, those labels must be added to locations in Google My Business before applying filters in Google Ads. Alternatively, you can add a filter at the campaign or ad group level. You can choose all synced locations with a specific label or business name, manually select specific locations, or filter no locations. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials on the Google Ads YouTube channel. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.